Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today I present to you the Hunter Vista ceiling fan. Excuse me, a little background noise. Actually, I just stepped on some broken glass. This fan is from February of 2000. I recently purchased this fan from Goodwill, new in box. As you can see, the box is right there. I'll show you guys the box more in detail later. Iron finish with mahogany and rosewood blades. Trying to position the camera back up. There we go. So, like I said, this fan came from Goodwill, new in the box. And it's very rare that new in box fans go to Goodwill, my local Goodwill. This is a big childhood fan for me. There are two of these fans out of A&W and the Long John Silver's restaurant collaboration. About 30 minutes from where I live originally. I've always wanted this fan ever since I've seen it, because these fans they're pretty basic fans, but the motors in these fans are fantastic. This one in particular has the Air Max motor, and the Air Max motor is a very, very powerful motor. I have two fans that use these motors. My Hunter Stratford that you've seen on my Instagram that I have yet to make a video about, and now this with the mushroom globe. Turn the light on. As you know, these fans, well, most older Hunter fans never came with pull chain extensions. So I'll be using this fan on the 4-speed wall control. Alright, there's a normal low 2-speed on this fan. And this isn't a factory speed. Like I said, this is a 4-speed wall control that I'm powering this fan off of. So this is low 2 on the control. This is a very nice low speed on this fan. You can definitely feel the breeze from this thing. Okay, now we'll be going to the factory low speed on the fan, which is on the wall controls low 1. So this is the factory low for the ceiling fan. So pretty fast low. the box, low speed says it's about 50 RPMs for low speed on this fan with 0.20 amps. Medium speed. Medium is definitely a good air mover. And medium is drawing 90 RPMs with 0.40 amps. And this is all according to the box. This is what the box says for this ceiling fan. But yeah, I can definitely feel a breeze from way over here where I'm standing at. Now keep in mind, the bearings may be a little stiff in this fan, because this is the first time this fan has ever ran in its 22-year lifespan. Because this fan is from February of 2000, so this fan is 22 years old. This is the first time it's been ran. And now for high. Now this fan sadly does have a wobble outside the box. I didn't try to fix it yet for the video. So this fan is kicking butt with air movement. I never thought I would have this fan in my collection, and the exact same fan as my childhood ceiling fans. The only difference with this fan is the canopy. Because my childhood fan, the Vista, the canopy is like the triangle type canopy, aka the wobble prevention canopy, as many of you guys will know. And I think this is one of the earliest models, if not the earliest model for the Vista. So that's why I came with this canopy. This canopy can also go flush mount. Turn the light on for this one. Now I will be showing this fan without the light kit too, just for the heck of it. And now for a spin down. Keep in mind this fan is brand new, so the bearings might be a little stiff. I have yet to do any cosmetic work to this fan, like balance it out, put oil in the bearings. All I did is take it out of the box, clean the dust off, and installed it. And as many of you know, the new fan production will manufacture ceiling fans right here. I dreaded taking that down because number one, it's a very heavy fan. Spin down is a pretty good time on this fan. It's not as long as the older ones that I've seen, and the other ones. I will go more into depth in the next video about this fan without the light kit, so stay tuned for that.